of biodiversity. Types. How many types of biodiversity? Biodiversity is generally classified in the following 4 types. First, genetic diversity. Genetic variation in the organism. Genetic variation. Species diversity.
স্যার বংশগতভাবে
Yes. Genetic diversity. First, genetic diversity. How many difference between the species? How many difference between the genetic variation in the organism? Species diversity. Ecosystem species diversity. Different species live in different area, and how many species live in the specific area, and how many types of variation found in this species. Ecosystem diversity. Ecosystem. In an specific ecosystem, pond ecosystem, desert ecosystem, land ecosystem, Sundarban ecosystem, mangrove ecosystem, how many types of species and how many types of variation found in this area. Last, landscape diversity. Landscape. 4 types of diversity is called landscape diversity. Among many other have eluded 4th form of biodiversity is called landscape diversity. In land, different types of diversity and variations found in this diversity. Next, loss of biodiversity. Loss. Are you see the sharing lectureship? Loss of biodiversity. The loss of biodiversity is a global crisis. Loss of biodiversity is the extinction of species worldwide and also the local reduction or losses of species in the certain habitat. We know day by day different species extinct, different species endangered from our environment day by day. When we early childhood, we found different types of plants and animals available in our environment, but day by day, these types of species lost from our environment. It is called the loss of biodiversity. Different reasons are caused generally involved in this issue. First, destruction of habitat. Destruction of habitat, when the natural habitat may be destroyed by men for settlement, grazing ground, agriculture, mining, industries, highway, drainage, dam building. This is the main reason for the destruction of habitat. When habitat loss, the species is ultimately lost. Hunting, shikar, hunting, different types of birds and animals we generally use our daily purposes by hunting up organisms for use of different reasons, for the collection of food. Commercially, wild animals are hunted for different reasons: collection of hides, skins, tusks, anthers, meats, pharmaceuticals, perfumes, cosmetics, and decoration purposes. Hides and skins from different animals, we collect skins and we prepare shoe and different leather product, bag and others. Meat, we collect different types of animals and birds to consume the meat, and we get different types of pharmaceuticals, perfumes, and cosmetics and decoration purposes. For the different occasions, we collect different types of fruits and plants for the ornamental value. Overexploitation. Commercial exploitation of biodiversity has invariably meant its overuse and eventual destruction. Collection for zoo and research, introduction of exotic species. Different exotic species we collect from different foreign country and we will try to adapt in our country. This type of exotic species consume and destroy our existing species. Control of pests and predators. For the control of pests and predators, we use different types of toxic chemicals, insecticides and pesticides. They destroy another species. Pollution. For the different types of pollution, air pollution, soil pollution, noise pollution, and sound pollution, generally losses different types of species in our environment. Deforestation. One of the main causes for the loss of biodiversity is deforestation. Unwanted destruction of different types of plants from natural environment. Other factors: distribution ranges, degree of specialization, position of the organism in the food chain, reproductive rate. Composition and scales of biodiversity. Composition and scales. Composition and scales, how biodiversity consists and how many levels generally created the composition sort of scales of biodiversity. Genetic diversity. Populations, individuals, chromosomes, genes, nucleotides, organismal diversity, kingdoms, phyla, order, family, genus, species, subspecies, populations, ecological diversity, biomes, bioregion, landscape, ecosystem, niche population. Next, we see biodiversity and agrobiodiversity. Biodiversity and agrobiodiversity. Biodiversity already defined. Agrodiversity or agrobiodiversity is a vast subset of biodiversity that encompasses of all the genetic resources related to the food and agricultural sector. How many types of variations and diversity found in our agricultural sector? This is generally called agrobiodiversity. What is the differentiate between biodiversity and agrobiodiversity? Biodiversity, species diversity is a variation of diversity between species. Genetic diversity as variation of diversity in the species. Number of species per defined area. Number of diversity is a given proper defined area, and some other differentiation, evaluation process, breeding process, mainly species, mainly variety, prioritized conservation methods in situ. Generally will conserve biodiversity, in situ conservation, agrobiodiversity, ex situ conservation, and polluter pest principle applicable in biodiversity, not applicable in agrobiodiversity. This is the major differentiation between biodiversity and agrobiodiversity. Next, we see the next term, the factors that causes the loss of genetic diversity. How genetic diversity losses day by day from our environment. First, founder effect. Founder effect. Second, demographic bottlenecks. 3, genetic drift. 4, inbreeding depression. Founder effect. Founder effect occur when only a few individuals of an originally larger population established a new population. The genetic constitution of the newly established population will depend on the genetics of its founder. Demographic bottleneck. When larger population suddenly experiences a severe temporary reduction in size for weather reasons a demographic bottleneck result. The magnitude of losses depends on the size of the bottleneck, the reproductive ability of the surviving individuals, the new genetic changes causes in the surviving individuals by the bottleneck, the growth rate of the deprived population afterwards. genetic drift. This represents a random change in genetic frequencies in small populations. In the mathematical terms, it represents chronicalness that results in repeated erosion of the heterogeneity, loss of diversity, and eventual loss of genes or alleles. In genetic drift, different
স্যার হেটারোজিনিয়াসিটি স্যার এটা কি বংশগতভাবে?
yes, this type of genetic drifts generally occur by different types of genetic mechanism such as recombination, mutation. Different types of mutation and some physical and chemical factors are involved in the creation of genetic drift for the loss of biodiversity. Inbreeding depression. Inbreeding depression can be defined as messing up individuals rated by common ancestor. When cross with common ancestors, then losses of biodiversity in this issue. When we know in the living system of mammalian organism, when the same blood or the same blood factor in marriage, therefore certain that infertility or no offsprings, birth, or after birth it is generally death for the reason of same blood factor or same ancestor. Inbreeding depression causes some reasons: decrease in growth rate, reduction in vigor and fertility, decreased survival rate, physical deformities, and increase of homogeneity, etc. Next, factors affecting ecosystem degradation loss. How ecosystem diversity loss? Ecosystem diversity loss, some similar reasons: overkilling. When we overkill, then it loss. Habitat destruction, introduction of animals, pests and weeds, pollution, secondary losses. Other factors: logging, shifting cultivation, agriculture, mining, drilling, fire, natural man-made, pest and disease, hunting, human settlement, greenhouse gases, and consequent global warming. This is the major causes for the loss of ecosystem diversity. Next, population size is a critical factor in the species extinction. Population size. When population size enlarges and increase the overproduction, then one species kill to another species, and one species retard the growth of another species. This is explained by the MVP and population viability analysis. Population viability analysis will describe it. The population viable analysis, according to Gilpin and Sul, population viable analysis take into according to the following three constantly changing and interactly aspects: phenotype of population, environment, and population structure and fitness. Components of phenotype, environment, and population in the help of population viable analysis. Phenotype of population: morphology, physiology, interspecific interaction, distribution, environment, habitat quantity, habitat quality. Population structure and fitness: dynamics of spatial distribution, metapopulation structure and fragmentation, age structure, size structure, sex structure, saturation density, growth rate. Today we see the last term, threatened species. Threatened species, some species day by day extinct from our natural environment, and thereafter we we do not exist in the natural environment. These types of species are called threatened species. Threatened species are 5 categories: extinct, endangered, vulnerable, rare, indeterminate. Indeterminate, unknown category, insufficiently known, status unknown, candidate. First, we see extinct species that are no longer known to exist in the world but survive in cultivation generally. The term extinct is generally used for the species are no longer not on the exist in the world. Some species we do not found no longer in the world. This type of species is called extinct species. Endangered species, the species with fewer individuals because of unfavorable environmental or human factors. This type of species we found very low in an specific region or another region. This is called endangered species. Vulnerable, these are the species whose population's number is decreasing day by day. This species is called vulnerable. Rare, the species with small old population that are not at present endangered or vulnerable but at a risk. Rare species have a population of less than 20,000 individuals. Indeterminate, species considered definitely being endangered, vulnerable, or rare, but for with information is sufficient to categorically assign them to any of these 3 categories. These categories are called indeterminate. Unknown category, insufficiently known. Insufficiently known, some species, status unknown, we do not know any information. Candidate, taxa whose status is being assigned and which are suspected but not yet definitely known to belong to any of the above categories. This categories is called candidate. The scientific, economic, and moral challenges that are posed by threatened species. Scientific challenges because their loss would disconnect evolution, any link that contributes to an understanding of plant life. Economic challenges because some species at some of their genes might prove useful in future. Moral challenge because human beings are to be blamed for having caused extinction or endangerment of a component of nature and a fellow being. Next term, different threat factors. Already we discussed our previous section, loss of biodiversity, loss of genetic biodiversity, and also the loss of environmental biodiversity. We'll discuss the following term. In this term, you see just main points in this area. How different factors, losses of biodiversity, habitat loss, overexploitation, introduction of exotics, disease, habitat fragmentation, changes and distribution of pattern and range, degree and type of threat, population, biology, trapping, hunting, and illegal killing. Last 2 or 3, chemical disturbances, hybridization with other species, chemical changes in other countries, extreme fluctuation in population size. So different threat factors, you just read at least 7 to 10 points, only 7 to 10 points, such as habitat loss, overexploitation for use, introduction of exotics, disease, habitat fragmentation, degree and type of threats, changes in forest methods, changes in tree species, changes in forest, construction of highways, waterways, etc. Thank you.